6 people, including a child, were killed after toxic gas leaked from LG Polymers, a chemical plant in Andhra Pradesh's Vishakhapatnam. Nearly 200 people have been admitted to hospitals after feeling burning sensations in their eyes and difficulty in breathing. Prime Minister Modi said he spoke to officials of the MHA and NDMA regarding the situation, which is being monitored closely. Prime Minister Modi held a virtual address on the occasion of Buddha Purnima. He said the Buddha is the symbol of both realization and self-realization of India. With this self-realization, he said, India is working in the interest of the humanity and the world and will continue to do so. The Union Home Ministry on Wednesday slammed the West Bengal government for violations of the lockdown by specific groups in specific localities in Kolkata and Howrah, where containment measures should have been imposed. In his letter to West Bengal, Union Home Secretary Ajay Bhalla flagged the plying of rickshaws, children playing cricket, and people bathing in rivers among the violations. The Uttar Pradesh Public Health and Epidemic Disease Control Ordinance 2020, cleared by the Cabinet on Wednesday, prescribes a maximum punishment of life term if death be caused by intentional COVID-19 affliction. Now, any person who intentionally infects another person with a contagious disease shall be punished with rigorous imprisonment for 2 to 5 years. Retiring top court judge Justice Deepak Gupta said the country's legal system is geared in favor of the rich and powerful. Justice Gupta became the first judge to get a farewell through video conferencing because of the coronavirus lockdown. In his parting address, he said that the legal system appeared to work faster if a rich person was behind bars while trials of poor litigants get delayed. He said judges must identify problems within the judiciary and deal with them. 44% of the deaths in Maharashtra due to the COVID-19 have been recorded in the minority community. The state government is planning to create awareness among the Muslims in Urdu, in select hotspots, and roping in local religious leaders for outreach. Incidentally, only 69 positive cases in Maharashtra were traced to the Tablighi Jamaat event. The India Meteorological Department has started referring to its meteorological subdivision of Jammu and Kashmir as Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit-Baltistan and Muzaffarabad. Muzaffarabad is part of Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, while Gilgit-Baltistan is also under illegal Pakistani occupation. IMD's subtle shift comes days after Pakistan's Supreme Court's decision to allow the federal government to hold elections in Gilgit-Baltistan.